Bull!
Bull, a
So you never
man!
gonna shut the wire in a boat?
Huh? If what?
You never gonna shut the wire in a boat?
Me come from
You
Jamaica.
never gonna shut the
Yeah, you love me a bull. And if a man goes to you say, yo, you're Chichi man. We wouldn't want him Chichi. That's the man go and panic.
Yo.
Man goes to name Chichi. Then go to say man. Chichi man.
A bull. A bull means bull, man. King Eyes, a wrong up, man. King Eyes.
You still buy it. So me ask you a question. If you go to the store, see, and you go Porsche that in a bowl, you go for Porsche that in a bowl, which is food.
Yeah.
That not enough food, Batty.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yes, but why? No.
Exactly. But my
Why would you
question
name a
is for
son
you.
bull?
What
If
my
you know
question
say
is for
bull,
you
it's a batty,
is why is it that our brain, or why is it that your brain would go on bull?
No.
Wait, hold on. Bullshit.
You don't name a son bull, nothing.
Bull a man with
Yo.
the next grown man.
Watch it, man. You
I
don't
don't
name a
know.
son bull.
But wait, hold on. Hold on. I can't argue the man argument because he won't argue it himself. So it's a dead issue. You know what I'm saying, King? It's dead. What I'm gonna say. When you call him Bulla man, he's not saying nothing to defend it.
So man can name bull, sir?
I'm on camera, sir.
Yeah, live on Facebook. No Facebook.
never
Live
been
on
on
thing.
camera. You
No
like that,
Facebook.
bro?
No Facebook.
Let me see that on TV. No. I don't go nowhere on camera, bro. Nowhere. I don't have Facebook. I don't have none of that.
He dark, bad man. He dark. You can't see
Don't do
that.
that.
You want it?
I've never been on none of that shit. See, I got